Hey beauties, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to ready for rose day with a stunning look using the exotic rose eyeshadow palette. Get ready to bloom with me as dive into the luxurious palette filled with rich and romantic shades. Has 15 shades for both day and night look and it is well pigmented as well. First, we will start by priming our lids to ensure our eyeshadows stayed vibrant all day long. Then let us dip into these gorgeous rose-inspired shades, blending blossom into the crease for a soft transition. Now, for that pop of color, I am reaching for exotic rose and gently patting it on the lid for a stunning focal point. To finish off the eyes, we will highlight the inner corners with glowing rose for that extra sparkle and taking brown shade for eyeliner and using pink shade as a blusher. And there you have it, a mesmerizing rose-inspired eye look perfect for celebrating love and beauty this Rose Day. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beauty content. Until next time, stay blooming.